that. Let's listen to this Hurricane Wisdom's swoosh. No, I said swoosh. WOOSAH. I can't read, bruh. Let's see what he talking about.
Wow. Fuck with you, sir. Hey, pull up, man. I say, WOOSAH, WOOSAH. Fuck the hookah. I saw what I saw. Fuck with you, sir.
Okay, this might be some fire. This might be some fire shit. Hold on, I like the vibes. You said I went to the park with the other day and was looking at her, and this lady walked up to me and asked which one's yours. I said, oh yeah. And you got, the fuck you mean you got locked up? Oh nah.
I can tell you about my life, but you won't understand. Couple cribs I'm paying for, I ain't even stand. Told me bro, I'm still gon' drink, he said I understand. She don't understand. Fuck a look like that, you getting over. I know granny getting older, and shit sad, I'm never soft. Yeah, I'm not lonely, I'm alone. Say Choo died, I ain't no clothes. Say TJ died, I ain't no clothes. She said that, that's getting close. Yeah, I sip drink before I explode. Wanna be this block till we explode. Wanna be this block till that bitch bro. I'll get blocked, don't do no pole. I'll get blocked, niggas know I'm posed. Smoking on who?
Let's go 37. This is, I like this song. I ain't gonna lie, but he needs to put down that lean though. I remember the first time I heard him freestyle, niggas. I think niggas was trying to compare him to Juice WRLD and shit. This is Hurricane Wisdom, my guy. But I remember this nigga from way back when, bro.
No smoking.
It is tough.
I said, WOOSAH, WOOSAH. Fuck the hookah. I saw what I saw. Fuck what you saw. I've been on my day today. This is good life. Okay. Effing all blacks, a dark night like Bruce Wayne to all. Shit, you know I say today, but I can never save all. No. I'm saving for the game. Don't say you love me, you can't. I see this shit every day. Shit, my dudes
what happened, Prod?
Fuck the hookah. I saw what I saw. Don't tell what you saw. Youngins how about day to day. This is good.
Not from this song. Not from this song. I know he had a freestyle and the way he was flowing, niggas was trying to, like, you know what I'm saying?
Like David Blaine. Oh.
I like the song though. WOOSAH, WOOSAH, fuck the hookah. I like the vibe of that. That's definitely playlist worthy right there.